Hello guys, if your iPad is unavailable and disabled, what you would do is connect a cable to your MacBook or your Windows and download the iOS, or if you got your Mac, and open up iTunes, and then you will press the power button and hold the hold button for a couple seconds until you see it turns off, and then the Apple logo shows up. And when the Apple logo shows up, you release the power button, and then you keep holding this, and then you will see this. Then on your iTunes will pop up, and then it will say restore and update. You keep pressing restore, then save, then update, then save, then restore, and then press next, and then your computer will go back to restore mode, and the Mac will automatically process your iPad back to normal. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe.
What you want to watch?
Thank you.
If you want to watch Paw Patrol, you gotta take the phone away, okay? You gotta close the phone, turn the phone off.